This time on building terminology, sarking. So sarking, or sometimes also referred to as sisolation, is a material such as a reflective foil or other membrane is normally used for one or multiple of the following purposes. Things like waterproofing, vapor proofing, breathing, so they're vapor permeable, or for thermal reflectance. So the sarking is a foil-based product. It's normally painted on at least one side just to stop the reflection from blinding you while you're trying to work on the building. Normally placed on the walls and the roof and can be referred to as a building wrap. The idea is that it does provide some insulation properties, about an R1 value. It also helps to reflect some of the heat away from the building. It does also help with moisture. If moisture gets through the tiles or through the brickwork, this is just an extra layer to allow that moisture to run off the building and onto your flashing and escape through the normal means.
If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And you can also follow me on Facebook.